Hello friends, welcome to Leap Essay Answer Writing Program. Tomorrow is the first test and I welcome all the students there who have enrolled. So tomorrow at 9 am you shall receive an email which will be carrying 2 essay topics. Write those 2 essays on A4 size papers in around 1000 to 1200 words and email the scanned copies to the following email addresses. You can use either a computer scanner or even your mobile phone for taking pics, but please ensure that the pics are clear and not blurred and they are uniformly aligned. Also you can use such A4 size papers, draw some margins towards the three sides. When you write this paper, try to replicate the exam-like conditions at home. Try to stay aloof at a place where there is less distraction. Try to remove all your electronic gadgets or any such thing which could possibly distract you. It is okay if you take a little longer time, and frankly speaking, I don't have any expectations from you. I am considering you bare beginner since this is the first essay test. However, one thing I expect, please do not take any external help. This is the least I am expecting from you. Do not use any external help. Don't Google or don't take help of books or whatsoever. Just write what comes to your mind. If you really feel like using some book, first write by yourself, then okay, you can see in your books again when you write it the next time. Once you submit your test, you will be soon notified for an appointment for discussion in next 2 to 48 hours on Zoom and Google Meet. And the sooner you submit me, the sooner I will be able to get back to you. I also suggest you that you do this essay test, you attempt this paper in the morning hours like 9 to 12 am or 12 pm so that your body cycle or body clock gets accustomed to exam-like conditions. So it is desirable that, and as I said, it is desirable that you finish both the essays in stipulated time of 3 hours. However, there are some students who would initially feel like taking more than 3 hours. I understand that. So it is okay, but it is preferable that you use only 3 hours for them. So with this, friends, I close this here. I'm eager and excited to see your answer scripts. So whatever you write tomorrow, that would be the starting point, and from where I would start analyzing your writing styles, what are your strengths and weaknesses, how much you need to improve, and what are your peculiar weaknesses which you need to get rid of. Don't take any pressure, just write whatever comes to your mind. And regarding revision, whether you should revise or not, so it is your call whether you want to do some revision or not. I generally don't recommend my students to depend on last day revisions because that may or may not be available on your exam day. What if your exam center falls far away where you can't take any of your books and all, or you had to travel one night before? So don't take any pressures. In case if you want to revise, don't do it in excess. Just half an hour or 1 hour should be sufficient. So with this, friends, see you tomorrow in your answer scripts. Thank you.